Implementing a CMMS is not just about installing software, it's a transformative journey. Each organization faces unique challenges, making timelines unpredictable. Let's explore why there's no universal timeline for CMMS projects. The size and complexity of an organization significantly impact CMMS timelines. Larger companies with multiple locations and vast data require more time than smaller setups. The scope of CMMS modules also plays a role. A basic system is quicker to implement than one with advanced features like predictive maintenance and inventory management. Data readiness is crucial. Clean, organized data speeds up the process, while poor data quality can cause delays. Internal resources and vendor support further influence timelines. The journey begins with planning and discovery, setting goals, and selecting vendors. This phase lays the foundation for a successful implementation. Data collection and migration is often the most time-consuming phase. It involves gathering, cleansing, and migrating data into the new system. System configuration aligns the CMS with organizational workflows. Training and user acceptance testing ensure readiness for the go-live phase. Poor data quality is a common hurdle. Investing time in data cleansing and standardization can prevent delays. Executive sponsorship and user buy-in are also critical for success. Managing scope creep is essential. Define a clear project scope and prioritize essential features. Adequate training ensures smooth adoption and reduces resistance to change. Consider a phased rollout to minimize risk. Emphasize clean data from the start and engage a dedicated project team. Early user involvement fosters better adoption. The true measure of success is the tangible benefits realized. Man Win-Win accelerates your journey to efficient maintenance, aligning with your organizational needs. By choosing a CMMS like Man Win-Win, you partner with a system designed to enhance your maintenance strategy. Start your journey towards a more intelligent and profitable future today.